आता आम्ही तालिगांव मतदारसंघाना जेनिफर मनसर त्याच्या वांगडा आता हांगा आमी जी पळोवया कसो थिंगचो प्रचार चालू आहा तो हेजे बद्दल जाणून घेवया. कशें कितें तुमचो मॅडम प्रचार चालू आहा हांगा?
It's been very good support from everybody. And like I said before also, we have our team is very strong here. So the Panchayat team, the corporators, then all our supporters, the Karyakartas from the BJP, everybody is here. So everybody is out here actually on the field. They're all our old supporters, our Punch members, then Asha is here. So our team is good.
फुडले तुमचे विजन कितें आसतलें मॅडम हे डेव्हलपमेंट जावपाक तुमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन?
See, as if you talk about development, then there's human development also and infrastructure development. So as far as human development is concerned, we are trying our best to see that there's one job per family. That is what we are looking at actually. And as far as infrastructure, then in the roads have to be complete. Water issues, there are a few water issues in different places. Then the light issues, basic light issues, and the satellite market, our Panchayat Ghar also, which is going to come up, and a garbage treatment plant. So this is the vision. It's a very simple, but we want to complete this before my next term.